In this AcuReview 2 training video, we're going to go over the reports that are available for pathologists in the AcuReview 2 system. If you're on the dashboard, which is where we are right now on the AcuReview 2 dashboard, the menu to the left is where you will see the reports. I'm going to go over the menu just real quickly so that you could see what the different menu items are. It's Home, which takes you back to the dashboard. Doctor Review, which takes you to Doctor Review screen. Locate Patient is Locate Patient. That's your full list of patients. Request List shows you your list of requests, which would be the consultants' names you've requested. Fish Request shows you, gives you the ability to make a fish request. Templates let you look at your diagnosis templates and edit them, and there was a video that we did on diagnosis templates and how to create and edit them. You can get to that button from Doctor Review, but you can also get to it from here. Stain Profile lets you see your stain profile. We discussed that in the stain profile video. And again, you could get that from Doctor Review or you could get it from here. And now we get to the report. So the first report is a diagnosis summary report. So if you click on that, it defaults to the last full month. So because the last full month was September, it's going to give me the full month of September. And if I hit View, it'll generate the report. Otherwise, I could have changed the date. And now I have a diagnosis summary report of the cases that were diagnosed during that date period. Fish summary is going to give me a summary of fish requests during that period. And in this particular count, I don't have any. So it's going to come up with a blank report. Now we have two different billing summaries. One is the original billing summary that came from AcuReview 1. And this one was really designed to be a PDF document. And again, all these due to last month. So you see this is the billing summary and it's designed to be a PDF document. Now, you can also export it if you want to, and it'll export as an Excel file. And then there's the new one we did, which is the TC billing summary with insurance and grossing. Now this one, when you view it, it doesn't give you all the columns, because it's a very big report, and this one was really designed basically for billers, and it was designed to be a spreadsheet. So you see it has columns here, but it's not really all the information. So if we export it as an Excel spreadsheet, you'll see that it includes not only everything from the old style billing summary report, but it includes all the grossing, all the insurance information, and all the CPT codes and information that would be needed for billers. And so if you hit export, it exports it. It takes a little bit because it's a lot of information, but then it exports it as a billing summary, and then you can double click and open it in Excel. And just take a second to get it in Excel. Oops. All right, and then just to show you, this is what that billing summary looks like in Excel. And it has all the information from your cases. All right, so now we have the positive cases report. Again, last full month. You can change to whatever you want. And there's the positive cases. There's the Accession Book. And there's your Accession Book report. There's the QA report. And there's the QA report. And then last but not least is the control tracking form. The control tracking form, because of the way it has to pull the data, is a little bit slower than the other ones. It takes a little bit of time to pull. But there's your control tracking form. And those are all the reports that are available in the system. And we try and add, as many reports as we can to make it so that you can run the reports yourself. Also, as you know, we now have a new Office user role, which is new to AcuReview, and this is an AcuReview 2. So for that Office user role, we now have a lot of those reports available to them, whereas before in the TC portal, they were only able to just see the PDF reports for each case that you've diagnosed. In this case, they're now able to see these reports that we just discussed. So they have access to diagnosis summary, fish summary, billing summary, TC billing summary, both positive cases, Accession Book QA, and control tracking form. All of those are available to Office users when they log in so that they can run these reports themselves as well. And so that's all the reports in AcuReview 2. And we have other trainings available for other topics. So if you want to look at what we have, you'll see on many of these screens, there's a question mark. If you click the question mark, it will take you to our webpage where we have the list of all the training videos, and you could hit watch video and you could see one of the videos from there.